Today, I'm going to see if I can make my Daewoo CNC machine 10 times easier to use with this new adapter plate. Daewoo CNC machines are incredibly powerful tools, but they can be a real pain to work with, especially when it comes to compatibility and setup. Many users struggle with getting their machines to work seamlessly with different tools and accessories, which can lead to wasted time and frustration. Compatibility issues are a major hurdle, as different components may not be designed to work together, causing errors and downtime. Setup complexities are another challenge, as the process of configuring and calibrating the machine can be overwhelming, even for experienced operators. These issues can be particularly daunting for those who are new to CNC machining, as they may not have the knowledge or experience to troubleshoot and resolve problems. In addition to these technical challenges, users may also face difficulties in finding the right accessories and tools that are compatible with their Daewoo CNC machine. The new adapter plate is designed to address these challenges by providing a simple and straightforward way to connect different tools and accessories to the machine. With its innovative design and features, the adapter plate promises to make Daewoo CNC machines easier to use and more efficient. The adapter plate works by providing a standardized interface for connecting different components, eliminating the need for custom configurations, and reducing the risk of errors. This means that users can quickly and easily swap out tools and accessories without having to worry about compatibility issues or setup complexities. The adapter plate also features a range of benefits, including improved precision and accuracy, increased productivity, and enhanced safety features. The adapter plate is designed to be easy to install and use, with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to connect and disconnect tools and accessories. The plate is also made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. One of the key features of the adapter plate is its ability to provide real-time feedback and monitoring, allowing users to track the performance of their machine and make adjustments as needed. This feature is particularly useful for optimizing CNC operations, as it enables users to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. By using the adapter plate, users can significantly improve the performance and efficiency of their Daewoo CNC machine. The plate enables users to work with a wider range of tools and accessories, expanding their creative possibilities and enabling them to take on more complex projects. The adapter plate also enables users to streamline their workflow, reducing the time and effort required to complete tasks and increasing productivity. In a demonstration of the adapter plate in action, it's clear that the plate makes a significant difference in the ease of use and performance of the machine. The installation process is quick and easy, and the immediate improvements to CNC operations are impressive. The demonstration shows how the adapter plate enables users to quickly and easily connect and disconnect tools and accessories without having to worry about compatibility issues or setup complexities. The demonstration highlights the benefits of the adapter plate, including improved precision and accuracy, increased productivity, and enhanced safety features. The plate is shown to be easy to install and use, with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to connect and disconnect tools and accessories. The demonstration also shows how the plate provides real-time feedback and monitoring, allowing users to track the performance of their machine and make adjustments as needed. Overall, the adapter plate is a game changer for Daewoo CNC machine users, providing a simple and effective solution to common challenges. The key points to take away from this video are that the adapter plate makes it easy to connect tools and accessories to Daewoo CNC machines, and it provides a range of benefits including improved precision and accuracy, increased productivity, and enhanced safety features. If you've got any thoughts on the adapter plate or Daewoo CNC machines, be sure to leave them in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe for more content on CNC technology and tools.